Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Mathletics. Our focus this week is going to be on data management, and I just want to walk you through how you're going to access everything that you need. So the first thing that I want you to do is make sure that you are on the Learn tab. So you're going to click that, and then I want you to go over here where it says Quests and Activities. We're going to start off with Quests. Okay, your screen is going to look a little bit different than mine. You are going to have, I believe, 6 different quests in here. And if you check on our Google Classroom for Monday, it's going to tell you which ones that you need to complete for Monday. So the first one is identifying quantitative and qualitative data. And then the second one is collecting and comparing data. And then the next one is interpreting and representing data. And then the next one is the mean. The one after that's the median. And the last one is the mode. Okay, so you're going to complete those. They don't all have to be done by Monday, but they do need to be done by the end of the week. As well, once you're finished at least 1 or 2 of these per day, you are going to then click on the activities. And you're going to scroll down to the last rectangle, which is orange, and it says Data Management and Probability. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, there's a drop down, and it has a bunch of activities related to data management and probability. So I actually want you to click to the bottom, pass the test, and you're going to start with something easier. And you're going to pick, I would say, maybe 3 or 4 of these different activities and complete all the questions in each of those activities. It's probably best to do them in order, so sort it, then making pictographs with a scale and then sorting data instead of going in different order, but it really is up to you. You can choose. Once you've done the quests that have been assigned for the day and your 3 to 4 of these in something easier, then you can go have some fun. And if you go to the top here, actually before I do that, I'm going to go back here. Once you've completed all these something easier all the way down to fair games, the next set that we have to have all of this completed, so bar chart, bar graphs 2, stem and leaf plots, concepts, interpreting data tables, the median from stem and leaf plot, and the test, and then first these activities. Those all need to be done by Friday, or I would say Sunday at the absolute latest before we begin the next week's set of activities. Okay. Once you are done for the day, you can click on Explore. There are some interesting tutorials, math tutorials that you can watch, but the real fun is in the play. So if you click Play Live Mathletics, that's exactly what you can do. You can play against other people in our classroom, you can play against other people in our school, you can even play against other people around the world. And you'll notice there's different games that you can play on. There's Multiverse, there's the Exciting World of Mathletics, keep going, Rainforest Math, and then Play Pause. I haven't done this one, so this one's all about adding and subtracting. So I'm going to click this open. Sometimes it's a little glitchy and it doesn't lead us right to the page right away, and sometimes it does. So finger crossed, it looks like it's going to work. I hope. Okay, maybe not. Okay, I'm going to go back. Okay, I'm going to try Multiverse. Hopefully this one will load. Going, perfect. So you can start a new game, a quick mission. There's different modules, so you can kind of figure out what you'd like to do. I'm just going to click open a new game. And it's loading. Give it a few minutes. Like I say, sometimes it's hit and miss. It doesn't always work, but just fool around with it. If it doesn't work, okay, so I've joined the best, and just kind of click around until you figure out how to use this particular game and have fun with it. If the games don't work and you're looking for something to do in between your next lesson, you can always access Knowledge Hook, Prodigy, or Empower. All right, I hope you have lots of fun. Look forward to seeing you again on Monday.